I'm going to start in the top left. The home button is going to get me back to this main page from wherever I am in the application. To the right of that, I'm going to touch the wing lookup, and if there was 4 or 5 different wings associated to that one facility, you'd get a list of those here. Once a wing is selected, I can go to the resident tab, which is just to the right of that at the top, and this is going to let me search for any resident in that wing based on last name. So I can go hit R, and it's going to pull up all of my R residents. Okay, in the top center is our notification center, which is color-coded, red being orders that have been missed or they're past their dose window for the day. Green is what's due now, and blue is what's up and coming for the rest of the day. So in a live scenario, hopefully a caregiver's only got 0 or maybe 1 missed order, and if they did notice that they missed an order, they can just go straight to the notification center. I'm going to touch the order with resident Jody Grove on it. I can check the directions. I can select given late. I can leave a comment. And then I can go ahead and save that order. Dose administered. I'm going to select another resident. Now once I have a resident pulled up, I can go to the lower right of the screen where the chart book is, the blue book, and I can touch that, and it's going to pull up that resident's information, and we've got everything on them. We've got their picture in the top left. Below that, we've got their allergies, diagnosis, care alerts, vitals, non-med orders. If you'll notice the tabs on the right, we've got their face sheet information. We've got their POs. I'm going to go ahead and touch the PO tab, which is the physician's orders, and it's going to give me a list of all of that person's meds sorted alphabetically, routine first, and then PRNs down at the bottom. Below the PO tab is the MAR, and similarly to the PO, it's going to be sorted alphabetically, routine first and PRN at the bottom. So here is my MAR, and then if you'll notice the orders in green that have been given have a timestamp in them based on the login information of the caregiver, so the initials are going to go here, and if I touch one of those orders that has been given, I've got a 1 o'clock med that's been given at 1:41, which is within that dose window, so it's showing up in green. Now the one I just gave from the notification center is going to show up in yellow because that one was given late. So it's color-coded. I'm going to hit the home button and go back to the main page. Now the notification center and the MAR are ways to give individual meds, but if you want to queue up everyone that needs their meds now, you're going to touch the pill box or the medicine cabinet in the lower right-hand corner. And based on the toolbar at the top, that's going to tell me what I want to see. So right now I want to see all residents for the current time. Under order type, I want to select all. I want to see the med and non-med orders. And then I'm going to load that screen. So here is every med pass that's due now for the entire wing. So instead of flipping through a med book, your caregivers are going to be able to see everything on one screen. And then to give a med, I'm going to touch a resident name. I'm going to slide the bar from not given to given. Do you want to administer this dose? Yes.